Grab 2 large apples, peel and finely chop. Grab 50 grams of white caster sugar. Grab a saucepan, put the apples in, along with the sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Turn on the heat and let that caramelize. Now weigh out 150 grams of light brown sugar. Grab 135 grams of butter to your bowl. Whisk together the butter and the sugar. You can use an electric whisk. Add some lemon juice to your apples. Grab 300 grams of plain flour.
Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder or bicarbonate soda. Add about 2 more teaspoons of cinnamon to the dry mixture. 1 egg to the wet mixture. Mix this all up. This helps stop the curdling. Adding 1 egg at a time. And there's the second egg. And blend that all in. Now this is preference, but we like it very vanilla-y, so we added about 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now we're going to slowly add our dry ingredients bit by bit. A dash of milk if needed. So that's your wet mixture all combined. And now we will go back to our apples that are caramelizing. So these are perfect, soft. The caramels, you can see it's looking more like caramel rather than sugar. So we're going to add majority of this to our wet mixture. Mix this all in, add to your dish, and then we're going to add the remainder of the apples on top. Sadly, we forgot to film a clip of it baked, but it was absolutely delicious. It was ate so quickly, so that's how you know it was good.